Hey there, my name is Tobin and I'm a Kaseya consultant at Profile Technologies. In this video, we'll be discussing the new agent installed alert and how to configure alarms and even a script to execute on check-in. The new agent installed alert can inform you if a new agent has checked in and can also allow you to execute a procedure when the agent checks into your VSA. We're going to find this option by going to Monitor, Agent Monitoring, Alerts. By default, you'll see Summary, but in the dropdown, let's select New Agent Installed. Now that we're on our section here, we have several different options. We can create an alarm, which is visible in VSA. We can create a ticket, which will then send a ticket to your ticketing system if integrated. You can run a script, or you can email a recipient. You can set these options per machine group inside of your VSA, but only one set of options can be set at one time for an organization. So let's select the test org third MG. We're going to be messing with the third MG machine group. Let's select create an alarm. Let's do send an email. Let's do run script. And for the script, we are going to use a script that will disable sleep and hibernation. Now that we have our settings in place, we have add to current list. Let's do apply. All right, and there you go. So now you can see we have an alert set. It's going to create an alarm. It's going to execute a script. It's going to send an email. And it's also going to run this procedure that I have selected. And the 0 here is this machine ID. So the machine that's checking in. Thank you for watching the video. We post new videos weekly to share our knowledge on VSA, Automate, and other RMMs. Let us know if there's a topic that you would like us to cover. Have a great day.